Friends, in this module we are going to see about effects of exposure to heat and cold. Okay, so effect of exposure to cold expose ஆனா என்ன ஆகும், body temperature decrease ஆயிரும். So automatically two mechanisms will take place. One is heat production, another one is prevention of heat loss. So heat production, it is by accelerating metabolic activity. Because of the metabolic activity, it is heating in your body. So your heating hypothalamus present in the center, it will control, it will accelerate the metabolic activity. Then shivering, because of shivering, because of the movement, heat is produced in your body. Then prevent heat loss ஆகும் prevent பண்ணும். So three to this are the mechanism that will happen when you are exposed to cold. Then effect of exposure to severe cold expose ஆன அப்படின்னா there will be loss of temperature regulating capacity எல்லாம் loss ஆயிரும். So frostbite will be there. Frostbite, what is frostbite? That is nothing but freezing of surface of body because of severe cold. Severe coldனால உங்களோட body full freeze ஆன மாதிரி போயிடும். That we call as a frostbite. So these two things will happen when you expose to severe cold. One is loss of temperature regulating capacity. Another one is frostbite. Frostbite means freezing of surface of body because of severe cold. Okay, because that freeze your body. This is effect of exposure to heat. Heat expose ஆனேனா என்ன ஆகும்னா, first is heat exhaustion. That is excess loss of water and salt through sweat. Sweat வழியே நிறைய salt waterலாம் loss ஆயிருச்சு, heat expose ஆகி அப்படின்னா that is heat exhaustion. Dehydration exhaustion mean there will be excess heat. Because of excess heat there will be dehydration will be there. Water is lost from your body. So that we call it a dehydration exhaustion. Next is heat cramp. Heat cramp means severe painful cramp occur due to reduction in quantity. Bodyல salt water content குறைஞ்சிருச்சு அப்படின்னா so automatically painful spasm will be there. Okay, so and also அப்படி muscle ஒரு இழுத்து பிடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். And also there will be through sweating lot of salt and water. So the loss is through sweating lot of salt and water is lost. Okay, so because of that severe muscle contraction will be there. Okay, next is heat stroke. Heat stroke means it is abnormal type of hyperthermia, over increase in body temperature because of exposure to extreme cold. So that we call this as heat stroke. So sunstroke means here also hyperthermia, but here you are exposed to sun. Okay, so most commonly you will see in summer, in desert area and tropical areas. Okay, next is how will you prevent this heat stroke and sunstroke? Mean avoid dehydration by you have to often take plenty of fluids you have to take. Then if you are going any work under sun or if you are doing sports activity, mean you have to in between you have to take rest. Then you have to wear light cloths with hat, தொப்பி போடணும், light cloth wear பண்ணணும். ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? சன்ஸ்ட்ரோக் ஹீட் ஸ்ட்ரோக்குன்னா உடனே ஹாஸ்பிட்டலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். Immediately you have to immerse the patient in cold water or spray the cold water on him. Ice cube you have to use, rub on the head and neck region. Then ice pack must be kept under armpit and groin. Armpit groinலயே ice pack வைக்கணும். Then body temperature till 35 degrees Celsius ஆகிற வரைக்கும் you have to do this. Then person susceptible to heat stroke or sunstroke, யாரெல்லாம் அதிகமாக அஃபெக்ட் ஆகலாம் அப்படின்னா infants, old people with systemic disease, physical labor under சன்னுக்கு கீழே வேலை செய்றவங்க, then sportsmen involved in continuous activity without break. Okay, so these persons are more susceptible to this problem. Then what are the clinical picture of these persons? Mean nausea will be there, vomiting sensation will be there, vomiting will be there, dizziness will be there, headache will be there, abdominal pain will be there, vertigo will be there, தலை சுத்துறது, தரை கறக்கும். Okay, vertigo will be there, then difficulty in breathing will be there. Okay, so this about the effect of exposure to cold and heat. So thank you.